The Safemoon coin. Is it the next big thing, or is it a shady scheme with a coordinated team behind it? Now you must have guessed by the title, we'll be talking about Safe to Moon scheme. Ha ha ha. Man, this term is getting more and more common. What would Neil Armstrong think of this? In today's video, we'll be talking about Safemoon coin, its history, how safe it is, and its future. So pack your spacesuit, cause we'll be going safely to the moon. Hey crypto lovers, this is Crypto Billionaire, your friendly neighborhood crypto and financial education channel. No author at Crypto Billionaire YouTube channel takes guarantee of losses incurred while investing, as we do not provide financial advice, and crypto markets are a high-risk market. The sole purpose of the information posted on this YouTube channel is for education only. Now let's get to the topic. So what is the Safemoon coin? The name Safemoon extends to safely to the moon and is a defined altcoin. You might already be familiar with the term altcoin, right? Or you may just watch our Dogecoin video linked in the button below to know more about altcoins and this term to the moon that was made famous by none other than the Doge father Elon Musk. Now back to the story, how was it all started? Well, behind the currency is a full-fledged team. The CEO, John Caroli, who has been appointed as an all-source analyst under the US Department of Defense. Their CTO of Safemoon is Thomas Smith, who recently filled in as the CIO of Goldsmith Blockchain Consulting. Jack Haynes Davis is the COO of this currency, who previously served in Like and Share Limited. And Ben Phillips is hired as a manager, as indicated by the LinkedIn profile. There are 6 members in the core team according to this website. It was launched in March of this year. The original supply was 1 quadrillion tokens, but the developers burned 223 trillion. That left a launch supply of 777 trillion. It's not listed on the major cryptocurrency exchanges, so most buyers get it on the decentralized PancakeSwap exchange. As of the current scenario, according to their own website, around 2.4 million people are holding the Safemoon coin. 580 trillion tokens are in the supply chain, and the rest have been burned. Its developers use manual burn to stabilize the prices. Now, how does Safemoon coin work? What is it that Safemoon coin wants to do? It's manually burning coins to stabilize prices, and Safemoon has a strategy in which they prevent day exchanging of their coins to fix the value instability issue. Safemoon declared a remuneration policy for the long-term and earliest holders of the tokens. Individuals selling the tokens will be hit by a 10% punishment charge expense on the exchanges, and 5% of these punishment exchange charges will be dispersed to the current token holders. This strategy was set up to restrict the selling of the tokens and instead support its holders. The initiative will make the merchants think before they sell their tokens, and it gives added benefit to the current coin holders. The official site of Safemoon explains, and I quote, "Holders acquire passive compensations through static reflections as they see their stability of Safemoon develop inconclusively. The steady RFI bonuses make this digital currency remarkable among others. It utilizes a manual burn-in technique instead of digital burn-in techniques to control the stock and empower a fulfilling and helpful burn method to the long-term members and achievers." So how does it all add up? The safety issues around it. It is safe to buy Safemoon coin. Is it safe to buy Safemoon coin regardless of what its name suggests? It's the furthest thing from being a safe investment. The design of Safemoon is intended to encourage holding onto it and to drive the price up. But what does Safemoon actually do? Safemoon doesn't do anything. Its entire purpose is getting people to buy, and the selling point is that hopefully the price will skyrocket. Safemoon's website promises vague future plans. It mentions setting up a Safemoon app, wallet, and video games. There are talks of integrating Safemoon with African markets. It also apparently has Project Phoenix, Details on that are not provided, with CEO John Caroni simply saying, and I quote, "Safemoon is going to be the fuel for the freedom of the unbanked." How that would work is anyone's guess. It's hard to see what Safemoon could do for African people without even a bank account. Will they want to store money in an extremely volatile cryptocurrency and pay a 10% fee every time they spend it? As of now, Safemoon has no purpose. A third-party audit found a major issue with its liquidity pool, as 50% of all pool is owned by the owners that the developers haven't fixed. And even though manual burns are supposed to increase the price, that hasn't happened. Safemoon definitely isn't a safe investment. And probably it might not go to the moon either. The crypto dilemma. As a usual story of every crypto, Safemoon too is subject to risks. Some might say risks are rewarding, and I agree, but in this case, it doesn't seem to be on the positive side. People have their own thoughts. Holders think it's gonna surge and that they'll dump it, because there isn't anything else that seems to be working with this coin anyway. Everyone has their own speculations and fears and hopes. Let's see what the future holds. These are my thoughts. I read about it all, and my initial thoughts were that it seemed like a pump and dump. The pump was already over. It has not shown any promising signs after that. Spend time on crypto forums and there are hundreds of coins like this. There's no talk about what they'll do, only about the price and how they're going to the moon. Some people who get in on the ground floor make massive gains, but most aren't so lucky. If you're interested in buying crypto, there are many better options than the Safemoon. Check out our other videos to know more about different crypto options. It's not financially advised to invest his or her life savings in crypto, as the market is just too volatile for that. But that too is a fact that opportunities don't really come that often to be missed. Invest only the amount that you won't regret if you lose all of it. So what are your thoughts on it? Do you think Safemoon's gonna shoot up and will hit high in the future? Or is it another Ponzi scheme and will be described later as a scam? Let us know in the comments below. If you like the content, give it a big like. And I don't know what you're gonna do with that red color button below. Buy it as Safemoon coin or do a scam with it. Well, both of these things sound the same, but I really don't care. It must be changed from red to gray, because I really don't like that red color. Peace out.